everyone, Mountain RC here, and such a great day for unboxing one new RC car. Oh, look at this. Today I have a Volkswagen Beetle from XXD company. It's a sister company of WPL. So the scale of this car is a 1/16. And yeah, let's open this. I would like to say that design of these boxes just incredible, the same as a WPL. Okay, we have some manual here, some parts and tools. So it is our remote. Wow, just look awesome. It's super detailed, and right now I will put a battery, I will put some parts, and yeah, we'll test it out. But so far so awesome. I really like that each WPL and XXD cars has a suspension, but here there is not springs, so it looks cool. It looks weird, but it works good. And okay, it's time to put battery in our Volkswagen. Here we go. Here is the battery spot under the hood. Our charger. Some cinematic shot, and let's go outside for a test drive. Right now we are outside with our Volkswagen Beetle. It just, look at this sleek design, it's just insane. I love this car. I would say that it's must-have RC car in your collection if you are an actual collector. And right now we'll turn on our car. Just look at this light. That's why I love WPL and XXD cars. It just light, it looks natural and vintage. And right now our remote, it is really fast. It is really fast, and it's really good in it turns. So right now some cinematic shot. So some thoughts, it's not a crawler, it's just a nice collection RC cars, drives smooth and nice, good in turns. Probably you could swap wheels, tires on the drift tires, and it will be such a great car for drifting. Maybe I will do this. Just comment below if you'd like to watch this next time. Yeah, and probably it's pretty much it. It was really nice to play with this Volkswagen Beetle from XXD. And yeah, if you would like to add this car to your personal RC collection, link below. Thank you so much, CXDWPL and personally Edward, for support. And yeah, just like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. It was a Mountain RC. See you in the next video.